Welcome to ELOWIN Farm, small scale farming, poultry, chicken raising and guinea fowl. Today, I just want to show you around what we have been able to achieve so far as our small or backyard farming is concerned. As stated on the channel, this is a backyard farm that is to guinea fowl rearing. We are into guinea fowls. We just started small, and then small we are improving, or we are graduating. So today I have taken it upon myself to just bring to the attention of my cherished viewers what we have been able to achieve so far. So if you watch our previous videos, you can see that this place was only a long, not that too long, but as we are growing, we started around November last year, and as we are growing, as we are expanding, or as the birds are producing, we realize we are running out of space. We have run out of space. So what we have done is, instead of looking for another place, we have just managed the space and make the space top and down. And I can tell you, see, this is the reason why I will urge everybody out there to start something small. Don't wait and say you want to get money before you start poultry farming. Don't say you want to get big money before you start chicken rearing. Don't say you want to wait small before you start guinea fowl rearing. These are our guinea fowls. Look at them now. We started with only 13 of them. But today this is what we have. I will show you more. What we are able to achieve so far. Mind you, I said we started November last year. So if you calculate, it's less than a year, but this is what we have been able to achieve. This is our yard, or this is what we are doing, you see. So backyard farming, small scale farming, is good. Just get some 2, 3, 4 chicken somewhere, feed them very well, vaccinate them, and then give them medication. Then you watch the magic happen. Look at what we have. Look at my people. Look at them. They are resting at the top there. You can see it. Now let me take you around so that you see what we are doing. Keep watching this video, because I'm going to reveal to you the magic, or our secret for this success that we have chopped so far, or how far we have gone. There's a secret behind all these things, and that's why I always said, subscribe to this channel. I'm not going to worry you with videos or whatever. Every video that I'll put out here, I will make sure it's a learning curve. You can learn something from it. That is my target. I have to make sure you can learn something from it. There's something you should pick out of it to protect, or to help your life, or to start something. The video, or what we are doing here, we are just here to encourage somebody. We just want to encourage people so that they can go into farming. They can go into poultry farming. It can be crop farming, or start something small. Look at it. Look at what is happening here. Those are our birds. They are trying to lay. And look at here. We have eggs there. Look at here too. I think we have eggs. Yes, and look at these cute ones. They are all money. And for you to get to this place, you have to start from somewhere. Don't wait and say, oh, I will have to get money before I start this thing. I have to get money, plenty money. No, I started with only 13 guinea fowls. Only 13 of them. That is what I started with. And now I just mixed them with some few chickens. And then look at what I have achieved so far. So I am just encouraging you. Now let me take you around. Let me take you around. So this is now what you see here, all the birds that are at the bottom here, I consider them as my parent stocks. So they are laying eggs and I'm hatching to produce. So anything that I move to the top here, anything that I move to the top here, let me open it for you to see. Anything that I move to the yard here, that means they are ready for sale. They are for sale. You see, that means they are for sale. So anything at the top here is for sale. So you see the top here. You see the guinea fowl. You see the guinea fowl. Yes. Look at them. Look at how cute they are running away. Don't run away. And look at my people. They are resting at the top there. Can you see them? They are resting at the top. They are at the top. They are resting. Cool. So everything up here is for sale. Is for sale. So that is how I demarket. Now let me take you around for you to see the secret. I say I'll review the secret that is pushing us. You know, I've come to realize that when you want to do this backyard farming, whether you have money or not, there are certain things that you're supposed to get in place. You're supposed to get in place. So this is another section of the backyard farm. This is another section of the backyard farm. Now this is our brooder. You see, we have our brooder. This is where we keep the young guinea kids. We keep the young guinea kids and brood them correctly. Now let me open it for you to see what is happening in there. Let me open it also for you to see what is happening in there. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now you can see in it we have some guinea kids. Can you see them? Remember I said we started with only 13. And look at what we have here. They are growing very fast. Look at what we have here. You see, so don't sit down there and say, I don't have money. You don't need money to start this. You don't need too much money to start this. Use the things around you. We use ELOWIN Farm. You use the things that we have around you, the things that are available to us. You see, this is our heat source. You see, look at the beds. Look at what we have here. You see, and it's beautiful. And we are taking good care of them, even though there are some unexpected challenges, but it's bound to happen. So we take them like that. Now let's continue. Look at this one too. This is another set of guinea kids that we are brooding. Look at them. Now they are out of the brooder. They are no more. They are not in the brooder now. They are here. This is their apartment. You see, this is where they are. This is their coop. Okay, look at them. Can you see? Yeah, they are running away from the camera. You see? Remember I said we started with only 13 guinea kids, or 13 guinea kids, 13 of them. Look at them. There they go. Look at them. You see? And they're beautiful. Yeah, very, very beautiful. So now this is the secret. You know, on this channel, I made a video of a brooder. Of an incubator. So this is an incubator. This is the first incubator that I made. So this is what is doing the magic. Look at it. This is what is doing the magic. This is the incubator that is doing the magic, that is doing the hatching. Can you see it? Okay. All right. So this is the incubator that is doing the magic. All right. So this one, it carries, okay, now the light is on. So the light is on. So this is it. So look at it. This is the incubator controller. This is the controller that we are using. This is the controller that we are using on our farm. Okay. And then look at this one. There is an egg. There is a fowl incubating an egg here. Okay, now this is a 1,000 capacity incubator that I have built, but since the farm is not yet giving me 1,000 eggs, so I'm not yet using it. Let me open it for you to see inside. We are not yet collecting 1,000 eggs, so we are not using it yet. We are not using it yet. We are not using it yet. Okay. So this is the incubator that is doing the magic. This one. This simple one. This simple one. I will do another video and give a detailed or a vivid description of how I build this incubator, how I build it, and I'm using it to hatch the Guinea Fowl eggs. Look, these are the eggs that are yet to go into the incubator. These are eggs that are yet to go into the incubator. So what am I trying to do? I'm just trying to motivate somebody to start something. Start something quickly. Don't wait for that huge money to come. Backyard farming, small scale farming is good. Poultry is good, and it is capital intensive. I bet you it is capital intensive. But sometimes you can't have, or you can't get all the capitals to start. So start small and grow small. Start small and grow small. So if you have an idea, you have the passion of starting a backyard or owning a poultry farm somewhere or someday, and you don't have the money, don't give up on the idea. Don't give up at all. Don't give up at all. Don't give up. You keep pushing. Start small. You can start with 2 birds, 3 birds, 4 birds. Feed them very well. You know, when you start small, one thing I also realize is when you start small, you'll be able to learn. You'll be able to learn. When challenges come, when difficulties come, you'll be able to learn, and how you resolve those things and how you resolve those challenges, then it will inform you when the bigger one comes. Then you'll be able to manage it. So this is how we are doing so far, or this is how we are doing so far. ELOWIN Farms, small scale farming, backyard, Guinea fowl rearing, and then chicken rearing. Now, we'll subscribe to this channel. I want you to subscribe to the channel so that every video that we upload, you watch it and learn something. We are just here to inspire you. Start small. The message is start small. Small scale farming, backyard poultry farm, or backyard chicken rearing. It's profitable. It's fulfilling. You may not get what you want. You think, no, look at this Guinea fowl in my area where I am staying. This is in Keta municipality. This Guinea fowl, one will go for 200 Ghana cedis, at least 200 Ghana cedis. So imagine if I'm able to put together about 50, 100, 200 of them. Imagine the amount of money I can be making. But this will not come on a silver platter. This will not come on a silver platter at all. It's consistency, pushing, and all those things. And I'm saying, like, for me, this is my personal opinion. Guinea fowl are the easiest bird to rear. Tell me your opinion in the comment section. Me, this is my opinion. Guinea fowl is the easiest. It's the easiest to deal with. Chicken, fowl is complicated. It's complicated. Medication and all those things. Guinea fowls, they don't need too much medication. They don't need too much feed. So you can, if you are able to get an enclosed space that they cannot fly away. Even the flying away, there's a way you can manage them. They will not fly away. They will be there. They will lay. They are laying all the eggs. Look at the guinea pigs that I show you. Yes, look at my people. You see, beautiful. Great work. So subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to this channel. Let's learn together. This is ELOWIN Farms. Beautiful. Look at them. Yeah. Look at them. Yeah. So this is our incubator, and this is our incubator controller. You can see it. This is the incubator controller. It is controlling this system. I started it manually, so I will do a separate video on this, how to do it in your home, using your chobbles, using your trunk or whatever. Simple one, of course, and be hatching at least 200, 300 eggs or 150 eggs, and then boost your backyard farming. So watch out, subscribe to this channel for a full video on this. I will show the wiring diagram, how to connect it to this controller. The controller is doing everything. Now you can see that the light is off. The heat system or the light is off. And look at the reader here. it is reading, the temperature is reading 38.0. 38.0. So hold on for a while, look at it, you be watching. It is controlling the heat system, everything. That is what is controlling it. So when the temperature fall below 38.9, you see that the heat source will on again. That is the light inside, it will on again. You can see inside is dark. You can see the inside is dark. So hold on for me a little. Hold on for me a little. When the temperature inside the incubator drops a little up to 38.8. Now we have 38.7. Now we have 38.8. So that is the highest limit I have set it to, because we are doing chicken. Or we are incubating guinea fowl eggs. It's the same rates, or it's the same heat temperature. So I set it to 38.8, and then you see it is controlling. Still the light is off. I just want you to see the magic that this small machine, is doing. Is controlling the system. You know, the egg need to hatch under a constant temperature. The temperature must be constant. It will not fluctuate. So it is this machine that is doing the magic. It is doing the magic. So when the temperature is 38.8, now you see the light is off. The light is off. Once the temperature drops, okay, the temperature is now 38.0. Sorry, 38.0. So once the temperature drops less than 38.0, which we are waiting for to see what will happen. When the temperature drops less than that, you see that the controller will on the heat system automatically. So okay, now you can see we have 37.9. That means the temperature inside the incubator has dropped 1. So we are waiting. When it drops again, because the heat element or the heat source is no more on, you can see here the heat source is no more on. The temperature inside will be dropping small. The temperature inside will be dropping small. So automatically when it hit 37.8, the heat source will on again. So the machine is doing all the magic. So you have 88 to 90% hatchability. Simple, no complicated. This is the big one. 1,000 capacitor. You see here, you can see now it is on. Now you can see, you see it's 37.8. So it has come on. You see now, you see that the light inside is on. The light inside is on. It's very on. It's very on. You see, so that is it. And then this, like I was saying, this one is for 1,000 capacitor. 1,000. But my farm is not yet giving me 1,000 eggs. Now you can see it is off again. My farm is not giving me 1,000 eggs a day, so I have putting this one down. I'm not using it yet. So my viewers, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and let's learn together. I'm coming up with another video, a video about the incubator. So subscribe and hit the notification button so that when I upload that one, you can look at it, then replicate the same thing at wherever you are. It's not difficult to do. Everyone can do it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share this button. Thank you. This is ELOWIN Farm. We started from a backyard and we are still at the backyard. So follow us. When we move to the bigger level, you one day say, oh, we were part of this. Wow, look at my kids. Look at them. They are going. Beautiful. Thank you for watching.